In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically remove unwanted emails in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll have a smart, always updating segment that flags addresses causing deliverability issues, so your future campaigns stay clean and effective. We're focusing on bounced emails, since those are a common source of poor sender reputation and wasted sends. Start on your Klaviyo dashboard. From here, head to the audience area. This is where all list hygiene and segmentation lives, and it's the best place to build logic that updates itself over time. Inside audience, open lists and segments. You'll see all of your existing groups here, but we're going to create a new one specifically for email addresses that have bounced. Click Create New, then choose Create Segment. A segment is dynamic, meaning it constantly checks your criteria and adds or removes profiles as their behavior changes. Give your segment a clear, descriptive name so you and your team instantly understand what it does. Something like bounced emails. Last 30 days works well. If you use tags to organize your work, add one here for easy filtering later. Tags don't change how the segment behaves, but they make it easier to find and manage as your account grows. Now set the logic. In the condition builder, select what someone has done or not done. This focuses the segment on behavioral events recorded by Klaviyo. From the event list, choose bounced email. This tells Klaviyo to look specifically for contacts who triggered a bounce event. Next, set the frequency to at least once. That ensures you're catching any profile with a single bounce, which is usually enough to treat the address as problematic. Add a time window so the segment stays relevant. Use in the last and keep the unit on days. The number you choose depends on your sending volume and risk tolerance. 30 days is a common starting point for active senders. If you send less frequently, consider a wider window like 60 or 90 days. The goal is to capture recent bounces that are likely to hurt your deliverability without overly penalizing rare, older events. When your conditions look good, click Create Segment to save. Klaviyo will backfill the results and then auto-update the segment as new events come in. That's the key to automation. No manual cleanup required. Use this segment as your single source of truth for bounced addresses, review its size periodically, and adjust the time frame if needed to match your sending cadence. That's it. Your account now continuously identifies unwanted emails so your sending stays healthy.